Assalamu alaikum student. Hope you all are fine. Now we are going to start new topic, that is transformer. What is transformer and its function? Basically, a transformer is a static device. It transfers electrical energy from one part of the electronic circuit to the other part of the circuit without changing its frequency. So, it's a device that decreases or increases the AC voltage. In AC, current does not flow in one direction, but it changes its direction alternatively. Now we discuss the structure of transformer. A transformer consists of two coils wound over an iron core. One coil is called primary coil and the other one is called secondary. How does transformer work? It works on the Faraday's law of electromagnetic mutual induction, in which EMF is induced in the secondary coil by the magnetic flux produced by the voltages and currents flowing in the primary coil winding. The voltage in the primary and the secondary are proportional to their number of turns. Vs by Vp is equal to Ns by Np, and this is known as the equation of it simply states that the ratio of secondary and to primary voltages is equal to the ratio of number of loops, mean number of turns in their coils. And now we discuss about the type of transformer. Step up: if the number of turns in the secondary is more than those of primary, it is called step up. Here the number of secondary turns is more than those of other. A step up transformer increases the voltage. In TV, the voltage is increased up to many thousands by using step up transformer. It is also used in power plants, camera flashes, old TV sets and screen, etc. And now we discuss other type, that is step down. If the number of turns in secondary less than those of other, means Ns is less than Np, so it is called step down. And now we discuss about the uses of step down. Basically, it is used to decreases the voltage. In tape recorder, radio, computer, etc., 220 volts are decreased to 6, 9 or 12 volts with the help of step down, and then provided to the appliances. Electricity is supplied from power station to the cities at very high voltage, and this voltage is reduced to 220 volt with the help of step down, and then supply to the consumers. And you see in figure, a step down is used for obtaining large current for welding. It is also used in induction furnace for melting the metals. It is also used in voltage regulator and established power supplies. And now we discuss the other topic, that is direct and alternating current. First we discuss about the flow of current. When both ends of a conductor are connected to the battery, current start flowing, which move from positive terminal of the battery towards the negative terminal. What is direct current? The current which always flow in one direction is called direct current, which is abbreviated as DC. What is alternating current? The current which changes its direction again and again. It is known as alternating current, and the alternating current is abbreviated as AC. What are the uses of DC? This form of power is most commonly produced by sources such as solar cells, batteries, etc. It is also used in low voltage applications such as charging batteries. Cells are used in torches, watches, and toys. These are the sources of DC. A car battery also provides DC. What are the uses of AC? Bulbs, heater, fans, motor, microphone, tape recorders, signals, etc. use AC voltage. You see in figure, home and office outlets are almost always used in AC. AC is also capable of powering electric motors and for many large appliances like refrigerators, dishwasher, and so on, which run on AC. Next we discuss about the interconversion of AC into DC. Radio, tape recorder, television, and computer, etc. also work with DC. These appliances use AC supply after converting into DC. You see in figure, electricity is supplied from power stations at very high voltage. Then this voltage is reduced to 220 volts with the help of step down transformers and then supplied to consumers. As the transformer can change only the AC voltage and not the DC voltage. Therefore, AC is preferred to DC. Besides this, AC can be converted into DC very easily whenever needed, as in case of electroplating. I hope all of you clear about transformer. Okay student, take care.